Hi guys, in this video we are going to determine the Lewis structure for carbon disulfide. It is made up of one carbon atom and two sulfur atoms. To understand the Lewis structure for this molecule, we will first go through its total number of valence electrons. So carbon here has 4 valence electrons in its outer shell and sulfur atom has 6 valence electrons in its outer shell. But as there are 2 sulfur atoms here, we are going to multiply this number by 2. So in total we have 16 valence electrons for CS2. Now that you know the number of valence electrons for this molecule, we will place the atoms and the valence electrons around it. So your carbon will take the central position because it is less electronegative than the sulfur atom, and both the sulfur atoms will go on the outside like this. Now you can place 2 valence electrons between each sulfur atom and carbon atom to show the bond formation. So we are going to place 2 for this side and 2 for this side, and we will arrange rest of the valence electrons around sulfur. So here you can see that although we have used 16 valence electrons, the octet for carbon atom is not complete because it only has 4 valence electrons in its outer shell, whereas both sulfur atoms have 8 valence electrons. So what we can do is we can move electrons from sulfur to between sulfur and carbon and share those electrons, which can help carbon complete its octet. So what we will do is we will move these 2 valence electrons from sulfur to here between carbon and sulfur atom, and it will form a bond, and we will do the same for this side as well. So now if you see, the sulfur on this side has 8 valence electrons, the sulfur on this side also has 8 valence electrons, and carbon has 8 valence electrons. So octets for all the 3 atoms are now complete, and this is the Lewis structure for carbon disulfide, in which the octets of all the 3 atoms are complete and there is a double bond between a carbon and sulfur atom. For more videos on Lewis structure, polarity, molecular geometry of the molecules, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.